Hello everyone, I'm Masud from Masud Virtual Studio. Double click on the button in Input panel in the last row this panel. Copy paste this code for record this load pattern as seismic load and diff seismic load pattern. Copy paste input general data panel for build new panel as a select seismic level and history. Then delete another item. Copy paste and create new text box to get name of history name and set this seismic level. Now we decided create new function class for get name of a story from ETABS model when we click on button in the last row. Anyway, we copy one of the function and paste it, then modify it. At the first we copy paste initial code for connection plugin to ETABS model. We call this name connection code and then write code for get a story name and enter name of a story to check list or text box. For this step we open API ETABS document and get help from it for write code to get name of a story in model. As you can see, this function explain it, copy and paste this function and modify it. We write modify this code for so that when click on button show name of a story in text box and we can select a story from click checklist. And when click on second button in the last row, record this story as a seismic level.